missing the pronunciation. So what do you do for the pronunciation the word?
Mhm.
Sometimes that
So,
word can't speak.
so what's your question? That is pronunciation important or not? This is your question?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No. Okay. So, yeah, definitely pronunciation is important. I think because if you have a good pronunciation, then then it's you know comfortable to hear. It's comfortable to hear. But if you don't have this kinds of good pronunciation, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Pronunciation is doesn't matter. The matter is language. If you can speak, speak it. The pronunciation, I think it doesn't matter, but it's
Oh yeah.
important. If your pronunciation
Yes.
being good, then your voice and your style it will be good to hear.
Okay.
But it's
That's
not mandatory that your pronunciation be like American style or British accent. It's not compulsory, I think. And in
yeah.
India,
First we
in
have
India,
to
in
basic.
India, and yeah, in India, you have also Indian accent. Many of the Indian brothers and sisters
Yeah,
I have found it, they are using Indian pronunciation. And one of
yeah,
the main is that it's not too much nice to hear. It's true that Indian pronunciation is not like American pronunciation or British pronunciation. It's not too much
yeah,
nice to them, but it's I think who are learning English, for them Indian pronunciation is good to hear, because when we listen Indian pronunciation or Indian speakers videos or lectures, that time we understand most, like 90% or 100%. But if we
yeah.
first time try to go to listen to the American accent or British accent, that time maybe 20 or 20% or 30%, mostly 50% we understand, but not we
Yeah.
understand. So to learn English, I think
Understood.
first we listen Indian accent or Bangladeshi accent. So it's not a big deal, or it's not that it's not compulsory to being good your pronunciation like American or British. That's their language. That's not our language. So it's not a big deal, or it's not a matter of concern.
Ah, yeah, yeah. That's really amazing, bro. So do you have
Brothers,
any question? Yeah, yeah.
what time in your area right now?
Right now, 6:13, 6 o'clock right now.
6 6:30
PM.
p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
Bangladesh I know 6:43 p.m. So evening time. So I think that you can see my behind the scenes is
Yeah, yeah.
if I know like what can I say, the evening you can see. So I
Yeah,
think
evening time.
we need to, I think we can uh end our conversation.
Okay, okay, definitely. Thank you
Yes,
so much
brother.
for brother. For
Yes, brother.
yeah, it
Thank you
was
so
nice
much.
conversation with
And
you.